We'll be using 3 strands of beach floss for this. Start by bringing your needle up from the back of the fabric, making sure it comes up within the guideline. Remember, the outline of the letter will be stitched on top of this guideline later. So make sure you poke your needle within the guideline. Now guide your stitch straight across the width of the letter, either from top to bottom or bottom to top, and poke the needle back in, always staying inside the guideline. Keep repeating this process following the shape of the letter. Here we are stitching the letter M. A small tip is try to place your stitches close together. So don't space them too far apart or poke them too far from the previous stitch. This might give a very misaligned look. So make sure to poke your needles close together from your previous stitch. So that will also help you keep the fill smooth and even. So now once you're done finishing the letter with the satin stitch, so you can start to secure the thread at the back just like we have done with other stitches. So loop it under, pull through and tie a knot. That's it. Simple and neat.